Hi students, so what I want to do today is just quickly go over distributive property. Um, so as you watch this video, please take notes in your packet on page 5. I know you might have double copies of all your notes. We'll staple it all together, and it will be okay. Okay, so for distributive property, um, if you remember from before, distributive property states that A times B plus C is AB plus AC. Okay. Or if you have A times B minus C, that's going to be AB minus AC. All you're really doing here is taking this A term and multiplying it to both terms. And the same rule applies here as well. Okay, so we're going to do a couple sample problems together, and then I want you guys to pause this video, work on a couple on your own, and then check back on the video to see if you got some of these ones right. Okay, so for like problem 1, for example, we're going to have 4 times x and 4 times 9. So that's going to be 4x plus, and then 4 times 9 is 36, and that is all we need to do. Okay. Problem 2, same thing. 7 times k is 7k. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay. Make sure you pay attention to your negatives, especially in the next two problems. It's where it gets a little trickier. Okay, so for the next one, I have -3 times n and -3 times -8. So think of this as -3n and then -3 times -8. So that's -3n plus 24, because the negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, the negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, same rules apply here. When you are distributing that 2 to both terms, think of this as -2 times 5x minus 2 times -2. So that's -10x plus 4. Okay, again, that double negative creates that positive. So I'm gonna go ahead and just box all my answers. This is what I am working towards. Okay. So what I want you to do is pause the video now that you have some examples. And I would go ahead and do problems 1, do problem 6, problem 10, and I will show you problem 15. Okay, so take like 5 or 10 minutes, do as many of these as you can, and then check back in. Okay, so you're back. Let's go ahead and go through number 1. The answer here should be 7x plus 35. Again, you are distributing that 7 to both terms. 7 times x gives you 7x, and then 7 times 5 gives you that plus 35. Problem 6, same concept. You should have -2x minus 14 as your answer. Remember to distribute that negative, not just the 2. Problem 10, again, same thing. This should be -8k minus 10. You're distributing the negative to both terms. My last one is fractions. I know you all love fractions so much. I wanted to make sure I went over it. You are distributing the fraction like so. Okay, I'm going to put the W on the outside and you'll see why in just a minute, but it all means the same thing. And then I have 4/9 times 10. Remember, 10 can be written as 10 over 1. Okay. And then here we're just going to use our rational expression rules, and we can multiply across. So I'm going to get 12 over 72W. plus 40 over 9. Notice that 12 and 72 are both divisible by 12. So when we simplify, we can actually rewrite this equation as 6w plus 40 over 9, as we can't simplify 40 over 9 anymore. And that will be my answer. Okay. Again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me, and then otherwise I will see you in class next week. Please make sure you do your assignments that are assigned to you on Canvas for today. Thank you.